Solve the following system with the substitution method. Okay guys, this is number 7. Substitution method, think to yourself, that's where we solve it for a variable and plug it into the other equation. So look at these 4 variables. We've got an x, we got 2y, 3x, and negative 4y. What's the easiest one to get by itself? Yeah, it's going to be the one that doesn't have a number in front of it. So that x right there, that's the equation we want to start with. So on the left-hand side, we're going to write down that x plus 2y equals 6, because that's the equation we're starting with. And then over on the right-hand side, we're going to write down the other equation. Now, if you know what to do from here, I would pause the recording and try to finish it, and then watch to see if you got it right. But for those of you who aren't quite sure what to do, we're starting with the first equation. We want to solve it for x. So guys, if we want to get the x alone, we got to get rid of the 2y. So we're going to minus 2y from each side. Now, that's going to leave us x is equal to. Be so careful here, guys. You cannot combine the negative 2y and the 6. Those are not like terms. So they just get written right beside each other. Negative 2y plus 6. Now, mission 1 is accomplished. I've solved it for x. I know that x is equal to that negative 2y plus 6. So I'm going to bring all that information over and I'm going to plug it in for x. Well, why did I choose to put it in for the x? Because over here on the other side, didn't we have x is equal to? So that's why the x is coming out and all the information is getting put into its spot. So now I have 3 parentheses. Now I'm bringing over the negative 2y plus 6. And then I'm going to continue on with the rest of the question. Minus 4y equals 28. Okay, so from here, we're just going to, I want to say plug and chug, but we've already plugged it in. So now we're just going to chug until we solve for y. Distribute the 3. It's negative 6y. Keep distributing the 3. 3 times 6 is going to be an 18. Bring down your minus 4y. Bring down equals 28. Now, on the left-hand side, we've got negative 6y minus 4y. Guys, those are like terms. If you type in negative 6 minus 4, that's going to get you a negative 10y. Then you're going to bring down plus 18 is equal to 28. Keep solving. Back to the side with the variable. Get rid of this tag along. So we're going to get rid of a positive 18 by minusing 18. That gets us negative 10y is equal to 10. And now we need to solve it for this y. So we're going to divide by negative 10. That gets us y is equal to negative 1. Okay, so substitution method said get a variable alone, plug it into the other side, solve it for the first variable, which we've got y is negative 1. But now we're going to take that and bring it back over. Guys, we knew y is negative 1, so this y is going to come out. And yeah, we're going to plop a negative 1 into its spot. And then we're just going to solve. So negative 2 times negative 1 is a positive 2. 2 plus 6 gets us an 8. So we've got our 2 variables, but we have to write them as an ordered pair. Yeah, x comma y. Remember, they are always going to go alphabetical order. So my ordered pair is going to be 8 comma negative 1. And that's your very final answer.